In part 3, I actually made a mistake with the mouth insides, but now I got that resolved and I can continue. So what I need to do now is this. Actually, let's just get an edit mode and then save it. And now I can do this. So, I'm making a loop cut right here. Actually before that, let me do this. Yeah, I'm doing it because I realized that the low lip, I tried ran off earlier in like part 2 or something, and I couldn't do it, but now I can because I have this loop right here. So now I can just do that. Actually, this one too. I can just do this. Let's try this one right here. No. That was a bad idea. Let's do this one. Anyways. Wait. Good. Didn't make a difference on the outside. Okay, now I'll do a loop cut right here. What? Sorry, it's just... the more I look at my model, the more mistakes I find. So I might just have to just do like a no voiceover and speed it up and get it fixed. But now because I need this first. Okay, loop cut right here. Actually, yeah, I'll just do one right here. And I could just increase the smoothness to this. Let's do this amount. Okay, so now I can just make sure that it's actually doing this. Oops. Oh yeah, of course when I do that, this happens, but I can fix it. Here, so fast way to fix is just to do this. You need to have mirror on first. Okay, good, it's fixed again. And now this is being weird. Nope, wrong one. This one is... let's see. You know what? Forget. I need to get back to the inside mouth. Okay, so now I can do this. I can start working the tongue now. Yeah, I can do a tongue now. So, I need to select these two faces right here. And then extrude out. You know what? I'll turn the mirror modifier so I don't have to wear a problem. I can just use this. There. I'm going to put it out here for now. Turns back off. And of course, this happens, but I can just do this. And of course, I'll have to do this too. Oh yeah, so I learned in part 3, at least not too long ago, that I can just do this. And this actually fixes that problem. And now I'm make this a little thinner, so I can do this. I want to do on the Z this time. And then rotate. Now I have some loops, so let's see. I think 3 would be fine. And of course, do this. You know what? I'm going to do this instead. I'll just scale like this. And then this one right here. I'll do more adjustments to this tongue after I mark a scene around this loop. So let's see. That loop's going to be like, let's see. Is that it? Yeah, that's the correct one. So now I can just do this. Actually, no. This one's probably a better one. You know what? I just forgot. I just need to make a loop right here. Sorry, I had to apologize. I'm not the best tutorial maker in the world, if you haven't noticed already. I'm a lot better making characters than actually, telling how to do these things. That's part of the reason why I have the screencast right here. You know, Control, Shift, and so on. Okay, so now this I would just Control E to mark a seam, and that's how you do it. So the reason why I do that is because, well, I can just do this. So the seam is all around the loop, and because of the mirror modifier, it makes it so I can actually select only the inside of this part. If I go to like edge or vertex, this happens. So that's the reason why I have the seam right there. There's another reason, but that'll be like a lot later in this series because right now I'm trying to do the inside of mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna cut back when I get this adjusted a lot better. Okay, so I'm about done tongue, so let me just do this. Okay, unhide everything. Now, of course, before I get to I need to save. And now, one thing I've noticed is that the mouth is a bit too small compared to the rest of the body, so let's see if I can fix that. So, here's what I can try. Okay, so I'll select that on face loop, and okay, let's try Shift S. Yeah, there you go. So, I want to do cursor to selected. Now, here's the problem. Remember I told you earlier where it only does the selection that's on one half? Where, yeah, that happens too. So, here's how you fix that. You go to View, and then you go through your cursor and go to where it says Location, X, then click this and press 0 to put exactly in the center of what it's supposed to select. And now I can just do this. I want to do this right here. And then you unhide that. Oops. Actually, I want to do this. And then I want to scale this up. Like, oh, make sure I do this first. Scale this up. Well, let's just do a little bit and move this down some. Also, I want to make this a little more. Actually, Actually, I think another thing is it's a bit too wide, so let me go and make that more narrow. And of course, I need to do this. Again, now that I have more edge loops, I can actually do this. Let's see. Oh yeah, now I can do this. Okay, so let me turn off the mirror again. It didn't help. Okay, let me just select no. I didn't select anything right. Okay, here you go. And I can also do this too. Okay, that might help after I do this. Okay, that's a lot more helpful. Although it's not the best. Actually, I think this might be the culprit. Almost. Okay, so sorry everyone. Okay, let me just do this. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyways, that's all I'm gonna do for part 4, and I will actually fix this before I go. Okay, that's it for part 4. So let me get out of edit mode, save, and then that'll be it.